You want that here and I'll try to find you a
9/16, I reckon so.
Okay. Well, why don't you whack it underneath you? Matt. Go ahead. See it big?
Well, could you get me my big long extension and that swivel you knocked on the ground somewhere?
Okay.
Maybe you knocked it on the ground. I don't know if I got this one started or not. I know what it needs. It needs to drop just a little bit. Wait till I get the bolt started. I should need what to get this bolt started. Because I can't get the bottom started. It's wider part at the bottom of this top. You get yours in there pretty good? Yeah. It's alright, I'll try to pull my side in a little bit more. Yeah. Damn it. Actually, I'm thinking my side might be up a hair. Huh? I think my side might be up a hair bit too much. Another one started up there at the top. Any luck, James?
Yep. Anyway, I had to get it. It was on the intake list.
Well, that went all the way there. What's that? Thank you. Oh. I got two bolts starting this side and one I can't reach because it pulls apart the bottom. Get it started? I think I do. Give me one more. You drop the thing down just a little bit.
Oh no, I used it.
It'll be easier to start.
I'm gonna go now, buddy.
Bye.
Bye. You come see me, okay?
Well, here you go.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Be careful.
Now I gotta try to very gracefully here get this fucking dipstick started. Oh yeah, that filter is bent all into. Hey, that's that probably me. Screwdriver, what? Yeah, that's probably me. Hey, I'll leave your chain on. I can't reach it. Put them headers. I'd say a lot easier to change all before we put them headers. It'll be hard to get that filled.
Just use one of them,
If you want
crampons.
claw one, does it?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. One that goes under with a extension. Straight up. That's all.
Useless. The dog got into the thing. I've hit it with my feet a dozen times, or I guess I was wearing rubber shoes. That was nasty. I could just reach over and grab it and grab hold of the truck. That'd be me. And pay every squall. I got to see who helped you then. Here's another boat. Let me get this up here started good. Because it won't trap the back of the fucking head. I mean right into the back of the head. Let's see if we can do something right here too. Turn this converter. Them bolts is just about lined up. I guess that's where to go. It's a good man. God damn it. Can't turn over. Let's cut the inner fenders off of race car. Damn fucking. Right, you can't see a fucking thing. Yeah, I believe them will work there where they at. Oh, what the fuck I got one on here?
What?
start. Eyes full of dirt. I mean, absolutely 100%.
Yeah, he needs them glasses I got him. Speaking of glasses, I don't know where the fuck man is. Probably mashed him into the dirt.
Get it? Probably not.
Jump right. What? Damn right, keep on the head, can't do nothing.
This is stupid. Who in the hell thought that dipstick was a good idea? No, like you can't even pop it loose because it's sticking out the back of the head.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm going to have to bend the shit out of it, I guess. I can't try to figure something out
They're
here.
gonna make me want to piss.
Well, one way you want to reach behind the steer drill, one way you want to reach down around the header.
What do you want me to do? Probably to reach behind the strip because they got all kinds of room in behind that son of a bitch. What, for the top boat?
No, I'm trying to figure out where to run his dipstick at.
Bolted up and bent the fuck out of the top bracket up there. His flexible tail, ain't it?
Yeah.
Out. There's my glass. Out here in the back. These damn pockets. The kangaroo could keep its baby in some bitch. Here it go in one side and out the other. Wow, that's a cycle who got to check out this stick. Like where you put your transmission fluid in over there behind the head, you don't check it while the engine's in one.
Yeah, it's fucking irritating.
I just unbolt it and then bolt it to the firewall.
Can't. It's the wrong kind for that.
It's got a hole in it so it goes through, but you got another bolt in it. There's your camera. You won't be able to get you.
Where?
Right there on that frame.
I guess we'll just leave that son of a bitch loose and we'll just stick it up behind the... I don't know. It's only got double O-rings holding it in. Blow it out. Like, I don't know. You damn sure can't beat it now.
I know one thing. My ass is cold on.
Well, I'll tell you one thing for sure. The way it's bolted right now, it's never going to work. So,
I can tell you that right now. Wait. I go under the heater box, go around, and then...
yeah.
Pain.
Let me tighten this bottom one up.
Once we got the transmission down a little bit, because it's not going to sit that high, I don't think. It's going to have it though. You can't even see it, Tug. You know that? You can't. I didn't think you could. You tighten that side there?
Huh?
You tighten that side there?
Yeah. Man, take this down here.
Might need to let the jack down a little bit. Well, this over here is pull apart the bottom. I'll break.
Want me to let it down?
Just a little bit if you can. If it goes up once and it goes a long way and then all of a sudden it drops like, okay.
Excited. Been a while. Okay, that might do it.
Well, aftermarket cost me, but what?
I believe you fit like a freaking glove, to be honest.
Factory Speedo work too, didn't it?
Looking like it will. Covering you are.
Where the next one go?
Look at this shit. I like the glove, dude.
I know, that's awesome.
That's sexy. Do you like it?
That's awesome.
Or what?
The hose.
Hose.
Mm-hmm.
Vacuum line?
All the holes to there.
Holes?
Yeah.
Does it go the other way?
A couple of them.
I said you might have to drill them.
Yeah.
I didn't figure it'd be a big deal. Actually, I believe
Either that or you can turn it around.
Yeah.
And come in this way.
if we can't. Yeah, maybe we can. Can you come forward where I'm at? You way farther back than me, ain't you?
There you go, so it looks about like a hole lined up like that.
I can't see where the hose is at.
About lined up.
Too far, too far. I ain't got here go something. Like that damn jack over. You don't need me bolts ain't no way.
Probably don't. If it's nice and tight. Just bolt it to the bottom.
Y'all got the transmission in there.
Yeah. That's just right there. I don't look like this one is right through.
That's the main thing.